Now we are entering the most exciting part of our data visualization journey. We will look at one of the most powerful libraries in Python for data visualization called Seaborn. In this lecture we will revisit multi-index grouping with introduction to unstacking to make a 2D array. Finally, we will use this 2D array to make a beautiful heat map in Seaborn. Let's start. Import pandas library and denote it as PD. Then read in salaries CSV file using read CSV function and assign it to salaries variable. Then use the info method to look at the data frame columns along with their data types. Let's convert the timestamp column to datetime format for analysis. Rerun the info method to check the data type conversion. Perfect. Now let's extract year from this datetime field using DT operator. Check the unique values of this new column. Great! We have year values starting from 2017 till 2021. Now let's group the data using job title and year to find average value of total salary or compensation. Great! Now you see multi-indexed grouping of average salary based on job title and year. However, we have to make a slight modification to this output for our visualization. This modification is called unstacking. Rerun the grouping method followed by unstack argument. The level argument within unstack function indicates the column index, which in this case is year. Perfect! Now you get a 2D array of average salaries based on job title and year. Let's remove year 2017, since we have very few readings in this year. We can do this by filtering the data frame before applying group method. Now we get a nice looking 2D array. Assign this 2D array to a variable called pvt. Import a new library called Seaborn and denote it with variable SNS. Finally, let's use the heatmap function of Seaborn. Give the 2D array as an input to heatmap function. You can have a look at complete function arguments using Shift+Tab. This is one of the best features of Python for a quick reference to function arguments and is always very helpful for beginners. And finally run the heatmap function, and you will see a stunning heat map of average salaries based on job title and year. Let's add some finishing touches by adding annotation for displaying values. Change the default scientific notation using FMT argument. It contains a comma, period followed by decimal places and F letter at the end to indicate it's a floating value. Lastly, adjust the font size of display units. Well done. See you in the next lecture. It would be a good practice to repeat the grouping, unstacking and visualization example, but this time for max compensation.